Hello, in this video I will show you how you can open recovery mode on Google Pixel 10. First of all, you have to press the power button and volume up button in the same time, just like that, and now you just simply have to restart your device. And now hold the volume down button and hold it, don't release your finger. Wait a couple of seconds and still hold the volume down button. And now, as you can see, I am in the fast boot mode. So now you have to press the volume up button a couple of times until you see the recovery mode over here. As you can see, this is the recovery mode, and now press the power button. Again, wait a couple of seconds. And this is the no comment screen. So now you have to hold the power button and press volume up button, just like that. And now, as you can see, this is the Android recovery mode. So first of all, you have to hold the power button. After that, press volume up button. This is the Android recovery mode. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.